To be a factory rider for such an historical brand like Aprilia Racing means a lot to me. First of all, because being a factory rider is something special, and also because to ride an Italian bike for an Italian rider is unbelievable. We both have the target to reach the win, so yeah, it means a lot to me. The first thing that comes to my mind when I think about Aprilia Racing is the first time that I met Massimo in 2020. I was very happy to receive the attention from a MotoGP factory team already at the time. So this is the first memory that I have, but also the best one for the moment. My first thought when I rode the RSGP in Montmeló was, first of all, was amazing to see all the faces from the team, to see myself happy. They were also very happy, and was a special moment. And also I found some very good sensation on the bike, some strong points that we can still improve, but that were impressive to me. The strong points that I can bring to the team are that I am good to making a good group. I'm trying to always to be a lot in the box, stay with my guys and spend some time with them, because they work for me, and I like to build this relationship inside the box. And also, of course, try to get some good results, to have good celebrations. The thing that impressed me the most about the team were, first of all, to see how much effort all the people was putting into everything that they were doing. It's unbelievable to see how much passion they put into everything that they do. They all are thinking about winning, and this is something that give me a lot of confidence to push at my limit every time.